This TikTok account has made over $70,000 in the last 3 weeks making simple would you rather jokes. In this video, I will show you how to create the exact same videos and the voice settings to get this zesty voice using 11 labs to enhance your videos and make them even funnier. But stick around because I will show you a few tips to increase your view time and followers. It's not just this channel though, others are blowing up and using the same strategy. TikTok pays creators $1,000 per 1 million views, and this video alone has over 8 million. These videos are very simple to make, meaning that with consistent effort, creativity, and a few more videos of similar caliber, we can replicate or even surpass these results. Let's take a look at a few of these videos.
Give a blind man vision, or get $10 million.
McDonald's or KFC.
I know what you basketball people will choose.
I don't know about you, but I'm going for the McDonald's nuggets. Yeah, so. So what makes this content go viral? Let's break it down. The first video taps into deep-rooted emotions, choosing between helping others or helping ourselves. On one side is the selfless act of restoring someone's sight, which is priceless. On the other side is the temptation of $1 million, which can change one's life significantly. In the second video, the voiceover is delivered in an unusual or exaggerated manner, and combined with a zesty joke, it not only provides entertainment but also elicits a response. Whether it's laughter shock or even a negative reaction, people are more likely to engage with content that triggers an emotional response in them, creating havoc in the comments section. The algorithm favors content with high engagement, such as likes, comments, and shares, increasing its potential to go viral. We want to generate as many of these videos as possible in the least amount of time, so go to ChatGPT to create the lists. While we can't ask ChatGPT to spit out a list of out-of-pocket jokes, we can use this prompt as a starting point for the options. You may have to do some thinking to get the results you want, but ChatGPT actually gives some solid outputs. Once you have enough questions generated, we can move to Canva to design the visuals. Select video, then click mobile video to create the correct size file. Add a red square to the canvas and adjust the size to cover half. Add another for the second half, making it blue, then create a black rectangle stretching out of view. Next, place a circle in the middle, then insert the word or inside the circle. Now we need to create the animation. Click the text box and head up to the animation button, then select pulse. Lower the intensity, then do the same for the circle and rectangle. This is where we add your choices. Create 2 text boxes, then type in both choices. For this example, I will do wet whipped cream pie and glazed all over donut. Next, search for the Comica Axis font on Google and download it for free from dayfont.com. Click text on the sidebar, then select add new and upload the font to apply to the text boxes. Now we can add the percentages. Create 2 more text boxes and insert the first 2 numbers. You can use the Comica Axis font for the percentages, but for this example, I'm going to add the outline effect using the Archivo Black font. Now apply the pop animation to both the percentages and options. We don't want to spend all day editing these videos, so this is where the automation comes in. Go to the Apps section and search for Bulk Create. Select Enter Data manually, then copy and paste your list from ChatGPT into the app. Right-click the text box and select Connect Data. Now connect each text to its corresponding data source. Click Generate, and now let's take a look. Before we move on, make the higher percentage number green, then shorten the timing for both percentages to the last 2 seconds of the video. With the clips looking good, we can move to 11 labs to create the voiceovers. If you're looking for a regular voice, simply type in your first option, the word or, and then the second option. But if you want this zesty voice, then click Atom and adjust the stability to 0 and clarity to 80%. To give it that zest effect, drag certain words along to create that lovely moaning sound. Now click the first text box and stretch it to span the whole video and insert the voiceover. Select the second text box, then align it to start right as the voiceover, the next option. Now we can incorporate images that match each option. The pop animation looks best, so feel free to copy my exact style. Click Showtime and align each image with the corresponding text boxes so they appear on cue. Add a timer sound effect, put it after the voiceover, then adjust it to 2 seconds. We can also apply a ding sound effect to play when the percentages show. To take it a step further, incorporate a whoosh sound effect for the images, giving it a sense of movement. This step is not necessary, but I decided to move to CapCut to add transitions. Save each clip, then move to CapCut. Simply drag 7 or 8 videos into the timeline and add transitions between clips for a smooth switch. I use the Shake 2 transition for this example, but there are others that work just as well. One finishing touch we can apply is to add a short voice clip saying something like, "The last one is crazy." This encourages viewers to keep watching, and result the algorithm rewards you with more views. The beauty of this strategy is that such comments aren't overly intrusive for viewers of these types of videos. Now we can export them and upload to TikTok. A small tip is to comment your choice and let the viewers have a field day with it. If you're thinking about creating multiple accounts, consider cross-following them. This way, when followers check out who you're following, they're likely to discover and view your other profiles, potentially increasing your views. If you would like me to build one of these accounts live documenting the results, comment yes and subscribe for more. Remember, with Artificial Arsenal, the power is truly in your hands.